Howdy, my name is Patrick Blankenship. I'm with Cardinal Scale Manufacturing. This is our LSP series scale. Today what we're going to be demonstrating is a technical overview of our 225 mobile livestock indicator along with this LSP series scale. Some of the technical issues, kind of questions that we commonly get with this scale. So one of the first things we have to do with this scale is go ahead and open up the side here. So here we have these two rubber mounts on the left and right side. We take the soft hinge here, we're going to lift up, and we're going to let it swing back. Right here, we do have a little pin that we're going to go ahead and line up. So let's move this back over there. And then go ahead and put that pin in there. And essentially we're going to have the left and right side, we're going to line up. Essentially what this is going to allow us to do is to our weight indicator. This top door folds down, so now we have a nice little working space. We have access to our indicator. So whenever you get your LSP series scale out of the 225 livestock there, you're going to have the power cord actually bundled up here. You're also going to have the printer manual along with any connecting the box with it there. You're also going to have a test ticket here. Essentially this is just showing that it was verified that the printer was working whenever it left the factory. And essentially what we want to do is just either take this information and set it to the side or leave it in here. But we're going to go ahead and hook up the power to our weight indicator here. So one last thing to note about the operation of this indicator is we do have a reprint function that will reprint the last transaction that was done on this. So it's just as simple as having paper loaded into the printer and pressing reprint. We also have a USB that is stored under a desk resistant cap. So once we move this cap out of the way, there's a USB on there. We can install our USB into the indicator. Now, if the USB is not installed, the transactions are not going to be written and stored in the USB. So if you're wanting transactions to be stored in CSV or CSV, then make sure your USB is installed before your transactions start. A lot of times, you might have issues where information is not stored to a USB. And this is because our USB is not FAT32 formatted, and it might be above 8 gigabytes or so. If you have any issues with your USB not storing data, we recommend that you go ahead and give us a call. We can walk you through different steps on how to format the flash drive, or just figuring out why data is not getting stored to your USB. Turning on the 225 for the first time. So initially you're going to notice that the scale is set to negative 2,980 pounds or some random number here. The reason for this is because the scale is still in transport mode with no weight being applied to the load cells themselves. So that way there's no shock loads whenever this scale is actually transported. You'll notice that our shrink or total, all these averages are set to 0 because this scale has not been used at all. Trans number is 2 at this moment. We're going to go ahead and show you here in a moment how to change that back to 1. Just for this demonstration purpose, right now we've already done our test ticket that is provided with the scale itself. And then also we want to show reset that trans number. So if you're starting with a target line or you want to begin over from the beginning, you can do that. So right now we have this LSP in transport mode. Now we need this in the way mode in order to actually go on with the indicator. The reason why we have the transport mode is to make sure no shock loads applied to the load cells or information, so this can either be polarized or whenever the scale is lifted up by a crane to be put into place. Essentially, all you need to do is just move these levers to the inside, and this makes sure that they're not actually going to be hit by any sort of gates or anything when we're in weigh operation. So one note to make here is we have these gas shocks. So when the scale is actually in weigh mode, it allows the scale, the weigh bridge, to move around a little bit. So that is normal. One thing to note is when we turn on the 225 here, we have our Cardinal logo. This shows the LCD revision and also the software revision. So in this case, it is a 225-USA-livestock. And then below that, you will see the current revision model for this indicator. It's going to keep note of what revision this indicator is equipped with a inclinometer to actually determine whether or not our scale is meeting that calibrated angle. So one of the first things I want to take a look at is our shrink feature. So we do have the ability to add a shrink. So if, for example, we know that 2% of the total gross weight is just going to go ahead and be lost there, we can go ahead and enter 2% and hit enter. So now you can see our shrink value set up here. So we're ready to weigh some livestock here. We're going to go ahead and press the weigh feature. It's going to go ahead and specify our head count. So in this case, I'm just going to use an arbitrary number of 4. So I'm going to say I just have 4 cattle on the scale. Now, as you notice, once I hit print, the printer went ahead and started printing. I don't know if you can hear that or not. And here you can see we have a total head count of 4. Our weight is 0 pounds, so we have no weight on the scale. And our average weight, you can see that our date and time with our transaction. So if you wanted to weigh multiple cattle in the same group, you're going to just go ahead and continue pressing the weigh, counting the number of cattle on the scale, and pressing enter, and making sure we have the printer paper exact for each time. So there are various types of printer paper we can use here. Generally, anything within that 3.5 inch range will actually fit into the TMU-295. And please refer to the TMU-295 manual when actually selecting your printer paper here. So whenever I'm finished with this group here, I'm going to go ahead and hit the finish button. And then it will go ahead and print out the total for that ticket. If you would like to change your transaction number, you can see after we do that second transaction, we are now on trains number 3. So we press the time and date button. It's going to go ahead and bring up our time that we have entered into the scale. It's going to go ahead and bring our date. And this uses a standard month, date, year format. Then go ahead and press enter again. And now this will allow us to select our transaction number. Ideally, we would just go ahead and allow us to count sequentially. But sometimes it's understandable that during a certain day, we'll just start over at 1. Or if the scale is replacing another scale, we might want to enter the transaction number 304. In this situation, we go ahead and change this over to 1 and just press enter. And once we go ahead and enter here, you can see that that transaction number has been entered to 1. So some of the most common questions we have with the 225 livestock wear application is sometimes we run into an issue where we will have a error come up on the screen where it's telling us our tilt angle. And essentially what we want to do at that point is make sure that our inclinometer is actually calibrated to a level surface. Sometimes the inclinometers themselves can go bad and they will give us this error consistently. However, most of the time it's because the scale has either settled or it's just outside of the actual in-cab tolerance. So to actually go in and set up and calibrate your inclinometer, it's the same way as kind of going in and setting up and calibrating your scale. So just go ahead and we have our watertight junction box here, enclosed with 4 Phillips head screws. Once we have this junction box open, you're going to see right down here we have our 4 load cell connections, and we also have our single home run cable. Now this top connection here actually goes back to our indicator, and so we have 4 wires that are connected right here. We have our black, our green, our white, and our red. So black and green is going to be our excitation pair, and then red and white is going to be our signal wires going back to the indicator. And that is the same color code that we use on all of our load cell cables as well. So taking a closer look at the load cells themselves, these are held on, or this has a cover that's held on by 3 bolts. They're the same size bolt as the junction box cover. That's at 5. Now, one thing I didn't mention earlier is there's a lock washer on there as well to help keep these loosened off. So when it comes to a load cell replacement, what we're going to have to do is obviously have this front cover plate taken off. We've also got 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, and this handle is going to have to be removed. There's also a 9/16 bolt on the left here and on the right here for this stainless steel cover plate. Essentially, once we have this cover plate disconnected, with the lever in transport mode, the weight of the load cell, there is no weight on the load cell, so we're able to snake the load cell off the front of these cams and essentially snake it out through check the excitation wires. You want to make sure your indicator's powered down. But we're going to check the excitation pair, so the green and black, and then the signal pair. Now what we're looking for there is a ohm value, or resistance value, and we want to record every value for the three load cells and compare them to each other. Now for these specific load cells, then you'll have to check with tech support on the exact values you want for the exact model load cell. This depends on whether or not you have the 15,000 pound version of the LSP or the 20,000 pound version. What values we'll see here, but pretty much what we want to see is essentially the same resistance value for each load cell. Now, for some reason, you're still having issues with the signal reading values on the back, and also our resistance value on the back has a good value over the spec. You might want to check our home link table, make sure nothing's happened here. Very, very rarely do we ever have issues with the board itself. It's not common at all for our junction board to actually have any issues unless for some reason this has been submerged in water, which, does come across our table from time to time whenever these scales have been underwater. Load cells themselves won't usually get damaged, but it's mainly this junction board. Now, this junction board does have a gasket. It's actually in the door itself that's supposed to help keep out most water, but if for some reason there's like a hurricane or like a river flow and the scales submerge for a long period of time, sometimes water can get in here and cause some damage. So one important note to have here is our usual load cell configuration for this is going to be load cell 1, the load cell closest to the indicator, load cell 2 on the other end, and load cell 3 on the same side of the indicator, and load cell 4. So that means that we have our pots on the same side of the indicator, and then our evens on the opposite side. So load cell 1 is usually what we use for the load cell closest to the indicator. If similarly, the junction box doesn't really care which load cell is where. However, it might help you try to kind of figure out which load cell to pull when you're playing with wiring in the junction box. On the inside of the scales here, we do have our lifting brackets. We're actually moving the scale around. Right now, the scale is in its transport mode, so we have these bolted to the scale. So whenever you actually go into a weigh mode, this is actually set up for weighing